Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect your Pinterest account to Shopify, complete guide step by step clearly. To connect your Pinterest account to Shopify, you'll start by logging into your Shopify admin panel. Once logged in, navigate to the Apps section on the left-hand menu. In the Apps section, click on the Visit Shopify App Store button. In the App Store, use the search bar at the top to type Pinterest. From the search results, find the official Pinterest app for Shopify. Click on the Pinterest app to view its details. On the Apps page, click the Add App button to begin the installation. You will be redirected to your Shopify admin to confirm the installation. After confirmation, the Pinterest app will begin to install. Once the installation is complete, you'll be prompted to connect your Pinterest account. Select the Connect Account option. You will be directed to the Pinterest login page. Enter your Pinterest login credentials and click Login. If prompted, allow the necessary permissions for Shopify. After granting permissions, you will return to the Shopify app. Next, select your Pinterest business account if you have multiple accounts. If you don't have a business account, you may need to create one. After selecting your account, configure the settings as per your preferences. You can choose to enable Product Catalog to showcase your Shopify products on Pinterest. Once you have configured the settings, click the Save button. You will receive a confirmation that your Pinterest account is now connected to Shopify. To verify the connection, visit your Pinterest account and check for linked products. You can now start creating pins and promoting your products on Pinterest. Explore the app features to maximize your Pinterest marketing strategy. Utilize analytics to track engagement and performance of your pinned products. Regularly update your Pinterest profile and boards for optimal visibility. This concludes the steps to connect your Pinterest account to Shopify. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.